Hello gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome again to JVLOGS. Thanks for tuning in again. So today I just want to ask you a question. Are you grateful? Are you grateful for being alive, healthy? Are you grateful for your family? Are you grateful for everything that you have? The reason why I want to talk about this is because last night around, I think it was 11 o'clock, I was on Facebook and there's this guy named JERMAINE. I think it's Bloomfield or something like that. I don't remember the last name. He's from Jamaica. He's in a hospital right now in Jamaica. Oh, I'm not doing this for publicity or anything like that. It's just something I saw and I just wanted to talk about it, and it reminded me of how blessed I am. Even though I have my circumstances and stuff, I'm blessed. I'm truly blessed, and I really want to be, thankful for that. So I saw this post on Facebook yesterday, video. The guy is sick. He has a tumor in his face, and his face is swollen, and his eyes literally up at the tumor. So it's really bad, and his face is really bad, and it's really sad. However, he made a video thanking everyone that has been helping him to raise money to do his surgery in Cuba. He made a video just thanking everyone for helping. Like, listen to me, people. He hasn't reached his goal of $150,000 as yet, right? When I checked the GoFundMe page, it was $4,660, and then I donated $5 towards it. It's a small amount, but it will go a far way. I'm not rich or anything, but just looking at the video that he made and how grateful he was to the people that was helping him so far, I was really happy seeing that and him showing his appreciation. And then it just reminded me that even though some of things might not be going good for you right now, you might be struggling and stuff like that, but there's people out there that are far worse than you. People out there with one arm, one leg, one eye, and they're still grateful for life. So I just want to pass on a message, a positive message to you guys watching this right now. Just be grateful. If you're not grateful, just remember that people out there that are worse off than you. So I just want you to remember that, and also give God thanks, or whoever you serve, whoever, Yahweh, whoever you serve, just give God thanks. Give your master thanks for giving you good health, letting you wake up each and every day, seeing your family, seeing your friends, your loved ones, being able to breathe, eat, sleep, just give thanks for being healthy. And just try to help others, no matter how small it is. Just try to help. Just give a helping hand. Who knows what might happen to you down the road? It could be you, it could be me. So I just want to share that, and I just want to say, stay blessed, people. Remember to always pray for each other, love each other, try to help, and just be encouraging, be grateful for the little things that you have in life. Those are things that really matter. The small things, the love, the people around you that love and care about you and really, support you. So thanks again for watching JVLOGS. I really appreciate all you guys that tune in to my mini clips and my crazy self. So much love. I appreciate you guys for watching every week. More mini clips coming, people. Remember, I post Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, some Wednesdays, some Thursdays, some Wednesdays. But anyway, I post videos often as possible. Thanks again. Love you guys. Later.